I'm Scott. Today I'm going to try not to electrocute myself while fixing this plug. Before starting any electrical work, always turn off the breaker. Has not been working, so we're going to go ahead and replace this outlet. I'm going to pull it out first and check to make sure it's completely off. So I'm using this electrical line tester from Klein Tools. Got this at Home Depot. There'll be a link down below for it. And looks like everything's good. Ground wire is giving me a little bit of a hassle there. Alright, so here's the new switch. Let's see if we can get this in and you guys can see what I'm doing here. So I'm putting the ground green there on the bottom. And then all plugs are set up with a gold and a silver. White to silver, black to gold. And put the plate back on. There's one. So there's nothing actually wrong with this plug here, but I figured while I had the power off, I would change this to a brown outlet so it matches the counter a little bit better. Procedure's the same as the other one. Let's get started. Nope, that box is too small. I'm going to have to change the box out. So what I'm going to have to do is put one of these retro boxes in. It just slides in that hole and clamps to the inside of the wood and shouldn't be an issue. Let's go ahead and take this thing apart now. looks like I touch up that finish right there, but not a big deal. There it is, all done. Alright, let's check out and see if it works. Oh, I've got a light. Alright, so this project took me about an hour, even with the problems I had with the other plug. Any homeowner can do this, but for any reason, if you are not comfortable doing electricity, find a friend that is, or call a licensed electrician. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, there's some videos over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.